The Chevrolet Camaro, an emblem of American muscle cars, has recently undergone significant changes that have left enthusiasts both nostalgic and curious about its future. In March 2023, Chevrolet announced that the sixth-generation Camaro would conclude production after the 2024 model year, with the final units rolling off the assembly line in January 2024. To commemorate the end of this era, Chevrolet introduced the 2024 Camaro Collector's Edition. This special edition pays homage to the Camaro's rich history, featuring unique design elements that trace back to its first generation. The Collector's Edition serves as a bridge between the past and present, offering fans a piece of Camaro's storied legacy. The sixth-generation Camaro, introduced in 2015, marked a significant evolution in design and performance. Built on GM's Alpha platform, it shared its underpinnings with the Cadillac ATS and CTS, resulting in a more refined driving experience. This generation was lighter and more agile than its predecessor, boasting advanced features and a range of powertrain options that catered to both casual drivers and performance aficionados. As production ceased, reports indicated that fewer than 100 new Camaros remained on dealer lots, signaling the end of an era for this iconic model. The Camaro's discontinuation is part of a broader industry shift, with manufacturers phasing out traditional models in favor of electric vehicles. Notably, the Camaro has experienced hiatuses before, such as from 2003 to 2009, reminding enthusiasts that its legacy has been resilient over the decades. Looking ahead, General Motors has hinted at a successor to the Camaro, aligning with the company's vision for an electrified future. While specific details remain under wraps, GM President Mark Roos has expressed strong opinions about what the next Camaro should embody, emphasizing the need for it to be both innovative and cost-effective. This suggests that the Camaro nameplate may re-emerge in a new avatar, potentially as an electric vehicle, preserving its legacy while adapting to contemporary demands. The automotive landscape is undergoing a transformative shift towards electrification, and the Camaro's evolution is emblematic of this change. As GM invests heavily in electric vehicle technology, the future Camaro could serve as a testament to blending performance heritage with sustainable innovation. Enthusiasts eagerly await what lies ahead, hopeful that the spirit of the Camaro will continue to thrive in the electric era. In conclusion, the Chevrolet Camaro's journey reflects the dynamic nature of the automotive industry. From its celebrated past to its current transition, the Camaro has left an indelible mark on car culture. As we bid farewell to the sixth generation, anticipation builds for the next chapter in the Camaro saga, one that promises to honor its legacy while embracing the future of mobility.